Okay, I'm from the Southern Senatorial District of Ondo State, precisely Otunba. That is the city and the town that has been delivering PDP from 99. And I will give you one single example. If you check at the election we had for Atiku, the result in October was 39,000. Check every other local government, no one had over 15,000. So that is the city where we deliver PDP anytime, any day. And we will still deliver it since I'm going to be the next governor of the state. PDP will come back in Jesus' name.
So are you of the view that they should zone it to the senatorial district?
100%. 100%. They have to. Yeah.
How optimistic are you?
You see, I don't like blowing my trumpet. This is my 21 years I've been contesting under this party.